Hey guys, this is Tanya from the I Can Do English Academy, and today I'm going to teach you a new phrasal verb to add up. Add up.
It is amazing that such a tiny tax can add up to so much money.
Prepping meals every week needs to become a new normal in your life. It is way too easy to go grab something quick to eat that the money really starts to add up.
So to add up means to increase gradually until there is a large amount. So I've got a piggy bank here for a reason. It's a great example of how even small saving habits can add up. So my son is collecting change. He's already got like 30 bucks in this little piggy bank. Not bad, right? So expenses can add up too, right? So every time when you eat out or when you buy a coffee, you don't pay that much, but all those extra expenses can add up to a lot of money over the years. That's a quick lesson for today, guys. So question, can you think of any extra unnecessary expenses you have that are adding up? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.